Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the fan in your HP 14DQ laptop. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on your device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the fan, which is typically situated near the heatsink. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the fan area. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging the pins. Once disconnected, you will find additional screws securing the fan in place. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. After the screws are removed, carefully lift the fan out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional clips or connectors that may be holding it in place. Now it's time to install the new fan. Position the new fan in the same orientation as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to test the new fan. Power on your laptop and listen for the fan's operation. If it runs smoothly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop body and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws to secure the back panel firmly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Finally, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. With your new fan installed, your HP 14DQ laptop should now run cooler and more efficiently, extending its lifespan and improving performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.